Cons, Maths 5 Plus, page 50. Dear students, today we'll have some activity time. Count and write how many objects are there. Write 3 balloons and 3 balloons make 6 balloons. Write 4 eggs and 3 eggs make 7 eggs. Write 4 candies and 4 candies make 8 candies. Write 5 pencils and 4 pencils make 9 pencils. Respectable teachers and parents, explain the concept of addition to the children by counting numbers in forward counting or counting through writing numbers. Tell them that a plus sign is added between numbers to add them and an equal symbol after them to write the total number in addition. Practically demonstrate the concept of addition by placing and adding different objects on the table, counting them over and over again. Ask the children to practice addition and tell the sum. Encourage them for their keen interest and great efforts. Thank you.